perform the national anthem. Please welcome a four-time Grammy-nominated country singer. You got to see this, guys. Oh, say, can you see why the dawn's early light was so proudly we hailed by the twilight's passing? Who was sights and bright stars through the perilous fight? Oh, the rampart was so gallant, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs were saying, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. You say Yes, guys, that actually took place. I feel sorry for this girl. I don't know whether to boo her or to give her a hug. That was pretty bad. Thanks for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. I'm doing a little things different today. I'm doing some reaction video in the garden. It's like garden talk. What did you think about that rendition of the national anthem? Wow, that was pretty bad. I mean, the bombs were bursting, but the boos were definitely louder. I feel sorry for this girl. I didn't even know her name. I think her name is Ingrid Andress or Ingrid. Who cares? Because it was just so bad. And after listening to her, I feel that maybe she just choked. What do you think? You think that she just got a little nervous, or she just forgot the song, or that she just didn't care? And the pitch, wow, the pitch, that was the real horrible part of this whole rendition of the national anthem. And she's a professional singer, guys. She's a Grammy award winning, well, Grammy nominated artist. You should see the trolls in her comments. I feel really bad. She had to actually take off her comments or turn it off because people are dragging this girl, just dragging her by the hair. And I don't know who picked her, but I hopefully they still have a job, because I don't know what she was thinking. But what do you guys think? Do you think that it was just one bad day? You know, Biden had a bad day, but this girl, I don't know. She just had a bad song. So I showed my 15-year-old son, and he was wincing the whole time. Someone in the comments said, you know, my ears is now bleeding. Now I know how Trump feels. I'm like, God, bro, you guys are going hard on this girl. I mean, people are saying about Fergie and how bad she was. Now they're saying Fergie sounds really good compared to this girl. But you know what? No one can do it better than Whitney Houston. And I just heard Chris Stapleton's rendition. Whoa, that man is a powerful. He has a beautiful voice. So guys, tell me what you think about this. I mean, it is all over social media. I know this girl has turned her social media off, and she should do it for a while, because this one is in the history books. Thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. Let me know what you think about these garden talks. I'm just doing something a little different than showing my beautiful flowers here. But what do you think about? Do you want to talk in the garden? Do you want to chit chat a bit? Let me know in the comment section, and let me know what you think of this national rendition of the national anthem. God bless America. Bye bye.